Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete post on Instagram. Deleting an Instagram post can help you clean up your feed, remove outdated content, or correct mistakes in a post that no longer fits your profile. So let's start the video. To delete Instagram post, first open up the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Here tap on three vertical lines in the top right corner. Under how you use Instagram, tap on your activity. Scroll down and under content you shared section, tap on posts. Now you will see all the posts you have uploaded to your Instagram account. Find the post you want to delete, tap and hold to select it. With the post selected, tap on delete at the bottom right corner of the screen. After you tap delete, Instagram will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the post. Once you hit delete again, the post will be permanently removed from your feed. So that's how to delete post on Instagram. Thanks for watching.